If CapCut on your PC is lagging, freezing, or just feeling painfully slow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and most effective ways to fix CapCut lag on PC, so you can edit faster, scrub smoothly, and get back to creating without all the frustration. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick editing fixes like this. Alright, let's start with the most effective fix first, enabling proxy mode. Proxy mode creates lower resolution versions of your video files, which means your computer does not have to work nearly as hard while you edit. This is especially helpful if you're using 4K footage, long clips, or a computer with limited RAM or processing power. To turn it on, first click on an empty area in the timeline so no clips are selected. This is important because it makes sure you're changing the general project settings and not editing a specific clip. Then, look at the details panel in the upper right corner of your screen and click Modify. In the pop-up window, choose the Performance tab. Here, you should see the Proxy option. Turn Proxy on, then open the Resolution drop-down menu and choose either 540p for the lowest and fastest option, or 720p if you want a little more quality while still reducing lag. Once you've selected the best option for your system, click Save. CapCut will now use these lighter proxy files while you edit, which can make a huge difference in playback speed and overall responsiveness. If your project has been especially sluggish, this single step can already improve the experience a lot. Now, let's move on to another very important fix, clearing CapCut's rendering cache. As you work on a project, CapCut builds up temporary files from previews, effects, transitions, and exports. Over time, those files can pile up and take up storage space, which can slow your computer down and make CapCut feel heavier than it should. To clear that cache, go to the menu in the top left corner of CapCut and click Settings. In the Settings window, stay on or open the Project tab. Look for the Cache Size section. Next to the cache size, you should see a trash or delete icon. Click that to safely remove the temporary files. Don't worry, this does not delete your actual projects. It only clears temporary data that CapCut no longer needs. If you want to keep things running smoothly in the future, enable Auto Delete Cache and set it to 15 days or 30 days. That way, CapCut will clean itself up automatically and you won't have to remember to do it manually every time. This is a great habit if you edit often, especially on a laptop or a machine with limited storage. Next, let's turn on hardware acceleration. This is another major fix because it helps CapCut use your graphics card more effectively instead of relying only on your CPU. When your GPU is doing more of the work, editing usually feels smoother, playback gets better, and rendering can speed up too. To enable it, go back to Menu, then open Settings again. This time, click the Performance tab. Here, you should see options like Speed Up Hardware Encoding, Speed Up Hardware Decoding, and Render Interface with GPU. Turn all of those on if they're available on your system. Once everything is enabled, click Save, then restart CapCut so the changes fully apply. After restarting, go back to your project and test playback again. In many cases, you'll notice the timeline responds better, previews load faster, and the entire app feels more stable. If you are dealing with lag while moving clips, adding effects, or scrubbing through footage, these settings can make a real difference. So to quickly recap, the best ways to fix CapCut lag on PC are: enable proxy mode, clear the rendering cache, and turn on hardware acceleration. Those 3 steps alone solve a lot of common performance problems for CapCut users. If you want, you can also combine these fixes with a few smart habits like closing extra background apps, keeping your storage drive from getting too full, and editing with lower resolution footage when possible. Small changes like that can help your system stay much faster over time. If this video helped you fix CapCut lag on your PC, please give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and check out the next video for more CapCut tips and troubleshooting help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.